The next question, we're also getting a lot of questions, and I want to brace you guys for because they're asking for your opinion, and I know that you can't predict the future, or else we probably wouldn't be doing what we're doing today. But obviously, what are you guys thinking from an international perspective? As far as, I mean, I obviously have an opinion on kind of where I think trade may or may not go, but from the foreign exchange side of this, and I know last night with Scarbrough having operations in Mexico, I follow the peso very closely. The peso has been directly linked to the election, and kind of where we thought that whoever was going to win, kind of as the peso moved. So what other factors, can people try to prepare for? Is there anything that in the banking community you guys are seeing, or is there anything specific that you would like for people to kind of be aware of as we move into this transition period from a President-elect Trump to a President Trump in January? What should we expect over this next 60 to 90 days, and then obviously going forward?
Yeah, that's a great question, and thanks for clarifying that. Yeah, it's going to be a big question mark, especially in the foreign exchange markets. A couple of key, I just jotted down a few key data points to take a look at.
Mm-hmm.
I think the Fed is definitely going to be key. Obviously, there are those that are pricing in the fact that the Fed might not move any longer in December. But there are also those that say maybe they'll move sooner than, make more moves sooner than anticipated with the President Trump in place. So with the Fed possibly raising rates in December and then having more increases within a shorter period of time, that'll definitely play in the currency markets and where the dollar moves. The market moves in favor of the dollar as rates diverge between the U.S., the Fed, and our trading partners. So
one of the questions that we just got, credit insurance or credit trade insurance, is it a good tool to reduce risk with the foreign customer? Kind of what does that look like for somebody?
Yeah, I would say it definitely is a great tool. So banks don't sell that, but there are a lot of insurance agencies, including Exim Bank, that will sell export credit insurance. It protects you from your open accounts receivable, so maybe your credit folks at your department can sleep a little better at night. And also, if those foreign receivables are insured, a lot of times your bank is willing to count those in your borrowing base and thereby lending you some more money. So they are a good tool. There is a cost for them, but if it's something that you think you might be interested in, I definitely recommend you call an insurance company or an insurance broker. Brokers are great because they work with all of the insurance companies and they try to find the best one that works for you, whether you need a single buyer policy for just one customer or you want a multi-buyer policy. So it is definitely a great tool, and we do see quite a few customers looking to that.